Okay, you guys, we're gonna make a video. I'm gonna use my mini heat press and I'm just gonna turn it on. And when it's ready, it's gonna be green. So when it's ready, it's gonna be green. No need to panic. I'm gonna be using these adorable bags that I have linked on my Amazon front store. So don't worry about that. I'm gonna get my mat as well as my parchment paper. So we're gonna get our mat. How cute are these gonna be? Now I am gonna add parchment and the inside paper because I don't want nothing to stick together or to melt together. So I am gonna add 2 of them. You can add as many as you want. If you don't have any, you can add something else. It's really up to you. So this is what we're gonna add. I am actually adding this, it's gonna be for Christmas. So the first one is going to have the little circle, and then I'm gonna add something in the middle. So let's keep going. It's gonna be I have this mat on my Amazon front store as well linked, as well as everything you're gonna need. Now I don't want to go too high, but I don't want to go too low with this. So I think right there is perfect. What do you guys think? Right there is really good. Now you can use your ruler and measure as well, and that's gonna be actually really good right there. All I'm gonna do is press it. I'm gonna wait for my heat to come up and get my second one ready. So I'm gonna be using this bag as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the parchment paper inside. If you don't have any, add a t-shirt. Just add something to protect the inside from melting together. That's it. You don't have to do nothing much but that. So I am adding 2 of them. And then I'm going to leave it here and we're going to get started. Now with this one, I'm going to do a grip of 30. And I'm going to make sure I press on it hard because it says firmly press. So make sure you firmly press on it because you want it to stick. And I'm going to look at it really quick. And I just want to make sure that it sticks on there. Now this bag is fabric, but it's really thick. So I just have to make sure that it stays on there. And we're going to lift this cool to the touch. So once it's on there, you're going to go ahead and see how it's going to be hot, and it's kind of looks like it's melting, but it's not really going to melt anything. So don't be worried about that. We just want to make sure that it stays on the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and press it again. Now, if you have a big heat press, you can use that as well. It's optional. It's up to you. I'm going to turn it around and I'm not going to press the other side. So I'm going to let that dry and we're going to start our next drawing. So the next design on here is going to be this I Love Christmas Latte. I thought this would be great. And I love the whole saying. Now I'm going to pick a side that I like. And this is the side that I'm going to pick. I'm going to make sure it's not cricket because I wouldn't want it to be cricket. I think right there is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and use my ruler. Yeah, I think right there is perfect. So let's go ahead and just play with it until I have it exactly how I want it. And it's going to be, I'm going to just play with it until I have it how I want it. Once I have it exactly how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and press it, and I'm going to be using the same thing. So I'm going to be using a 30 as well as just pressing it hard. I'm going to make sure the whole design stays on there. So this is going to be a hard grip. Now, I'll link the heat press guide down below so you guys go ahead and check it out. But it's going to tell you like how hard to press it, if you shouldn't, if you should, you know. And it's gonna look like a little bit like that, like it's almost smashed in there. And we're just gonna let it cool to the touch, and I'm just gonna press it one more time. Okay, we're gonna let that cool to the touch. We're gonna bring the other one up, and let's see if it lifts, you guys. I'm gonna press it again. I'm not scared if it lifts. If it lifts, it lifts. But it didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set that real quick. Okay. Now the second piece to this is going to be, if I could find it, I misplaced it. So I'm gonna look for it really fast, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know where I put the second piece of this. OMG. Okay, let me look for it. I'm gonna pause. Okay, so I found it, and look what it's gonna say in the middle. In the middle, it's gonna say Merry and Bright. So we're just gonna place it, and with this, you wanna place it not too close to the top or the bottom. Once you have it, we're gonna set it, and we're gonna do the same thing 30. And if it lifts, don't worry, we're gonna press it again and again and again. Look how gorgeous this is. This is truly gorgeous. I'm gonna just press it. I'm not gonna do the back of it. Okay, we're gonna put it to the side and we're gonna work on this one. Now let's see if this one's dry. Cool to the touch. You guys, this looks so pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that it stays on there. Okay, so with this one, it has a little bit of extra things on there that I'm excited to add. You guys, Merry Christmas. I love Christmas. I love Christmas. Okay, so I'm gonna add the little leaves on there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're going right on here. Oh no, you know what? Let me add the little cup first, the little cup detail. I think it'll be better if I add this first. Let me make sure that I have it exactly how I want it. You guys, that looks really good. I'm gonna add this first, so I'm gonna press it, and I'm gonna just do the 30. I'm gonna leave that to the side. I'm gonna come back to this one. Cool to the touch. Not yet. So we're gonna wait. Don't ever rush it. If it's not cool to the touch, you wait. And we continue with this one. Now with this one, I just made it, so I'm not even gonna worry about that one. Okay? And look at how adorable this came out. So there you go, you guys. How great is this adorable Christmas bag that I made? Now, if you're giving this to somebody, write their name in the middle, write Santa, write whatever you want. I am loving these bags. Adorable. Let's finish this one. Okay. So we're just going to go ahead and lift it. Perfect. I'm not going to heat press it because I'm going to press it in right now with this. I'm just looking for the perfect place to put it, and I'm gonna stick my head in the camera. I'm sorry. I hate when I do that, but you know what? I don't have a choice right now. I'm gonna press this. Okay. I'm gonna wait till it's cool to the touch, and then I'm gonna add the 3 little dots on there. Can you see that? So I'm gonna go ahead and just wait. You guys, I am loving these bags. I'm gonna either give them, I don't know, we'll see to whom or to what, as I continue with my Christmas cheer. Now I'm going to go ahead and wait till that's cool to the touch. If you guys want to comment down below, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And yeah, comment down below so I can make more of these amazing videos. Because believe it or not, they are really good videos. Now, all I'm going to do is add the little balls on here. Does that make any sense? And I'm gonna just press it in. And that should be done. Okay, now I'm gonna wait till it's cool to the touch. And there you go. I made you 2 adorable Christmas bags. Let me know which one you like the most. You guys, these are so great. They're a perfect size to add a couple goodies, to add some chocolates, to add anything you really want to add in there. I am loving them. Let me know if you guys gonna make one. A Merry Christmas. I love Christmas. I know you do too. I'm gonna link these on my Amazon front store. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye you guys.